Okay, so this is only a short video to answer the question which one has bigger acceleration down the ramp. A more massive object or a less massive object. So this one right here is made out of brass, this one is aluminum. They're the same rough size, and if you were to put them on the scale, this one is about 23 grams, this one is about 72 grams, so a little more than a factor of 3 more mass for this brass one than for the aluminum one. And I put both at the top and then let them go at as close as I can to the same time and see which one gets to the bottom first. Roughly the same time. And let's look at that from a different angle and release. Pretty close to the same time, certainly within my reaction time for it, if I switch the order. Photo finish.